By default, 2 camera licenses are installed. By applying the license key on the Surveillance Station user interface, you will be able to set up and manage more cameras on the network. To find out the maximum number of IP cams supported on each disk station, please refer to the specifications of each model. Synology Surveillance Station has different billing methods for particular cameras, such as panoramic, multi-lens cameras and video server for analog cameras. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what was needed. Ordered this expecting digital delivery. Kind of shocked that they actually shipped out a card with the license key on it, but my Synology system accepted the code and activated my license immediately and allowed me to add my camera right away. If anyone at Synology happens to see this review, digital delivery would be very nice.